Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Tejaswini. I hope you are all doing well. This video is specifically for the students who have written KSET 2026 exam and are waiting for their engineering seat allotment. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So watch till the end. This topic will be divided into two parts, one on how to survive and other one on how to manage time in college. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. First of everything, getting into your dream college is not an easy thing. In case you have got into one, then congratulations. If not, don't get depressed into thinking about it. Just because you got into a tier 3 college doesn't mean you are not worthy of life. There is so much in the future yet to come. Once you get your admissions done in your XYZ college, make yourself presentable in the way you style and behavior. It will be easier to make friends and interact with the faculty, making them have a good impression on you. As the quote says, first impression is the best impression. You gotta take that a bit seriously. One of the most important and scariest part of the college is getting bullied. Hence, don't make friends who you feel bully you, and don't sit with the fact and get a stand for yourself. There will be a lot of cyberbully helplines on internet and also on your college WhatsApp group. Don't hesitate in pointing out your bullies to the helplines. Make friends of your own vibe of people, but talk to everyone from the student who gets 10 CGPA to a student who has a CGPA of below average. Socializing is what you learn in the college more than skills to get a job. Make connections with everyone, talk about random things with people, and create a good bond with your seniors. Next, talking about theory and practicals. Theory matter more than you can think of. ನಿಮ್ಮ CGPA 7.5 or 7.5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಸೇಫರ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6.7 or 6.7 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ CGPA of 7.5 or 8 to attend their interviews. 7.5 ನ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ CGPA ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌವ್ 7.5. ಥಿಯರಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋ ತನಕ ಒಂದೇ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ read the PPTs and move forward to finish their syllabus in time. At least in my college, whose branch is one of the top 30th college in Bangalore, does exactly like this. All you have to be doing to pass your sem and exams and internal exams is by heart the PDFs. So don't worry a lot on theoretical subjects. Coming to practicals, ask all the dumbest questions ever known to mankind, cause this is the last place where you can ask such questions and people won't judge you. Even if they judge, who cares? ಎಲ್ರು ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಕಲಿಯಕ್ಕೆ and no one is born. Mark Zuckerberg. ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅದ್ರ ಅರ್ಧದಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, cause consistency matters. Attend the hackathons irrespective of with whom you are grouped with. All you need is experience in the field of tech and move forward to say yes to all the hackathons. Talking about say yes to everything doesn't mean you have to be free for everyone. People will take advantage of you if you are naive and innocent. Don't be the victim, but say yes to the plans made by your friends, because you will not be able to get such hangers frequently again in your life. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟಾಗಿತ್ತು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.